Let us have a small demo on NetSim, a network simulator which enables users to virtually create a network along with its components such as devices, links, and applications. Some of the examples of the application of network simulators are protocol performance analysis, application modeling and analysis, network design and planning, research and development of new network technologies, test and verifications. There are different versions in NetSim: 9.1, 9, 10, 10.1 and 10.2, and we are showing a demo on NetSim 10.2 standard version. There are different technologies covered by the NetSim. They are internetworks, legacy networks, BGP, advanced wireless networks, cellular networks, wireless sensor networks, Internet of Things, ZigBee, cognitive radio networks, LTE, military radio, etc. The features of the NetSim are: you can have performance analysis, packet animator, packet trace and event trace analysis. You can write your own custom codes. You can interface external software with NetSim like Simo for WANet, MATLAB and Wireshark for packet capturing and packet tracing. Now let us create a network scenario in internetworks. Now click on the internetworks. So this is the simulation environment. Now let's see the environment settings. Click on the environment setting icon and you can see the grid view option in simulation environment. Now we can give grid length, say 400, and press accept. So now you can see in the environment it is of 400 cross 400 meters. You can create the network environment by using the devices given above like node, switch, internal router, links, access point, etc. You can see a red crossed icon in the NetSim, which means that NetSim automatically disables the devices which cannot be used in the particular network. Now let us create a network for internetworks. First let us place router, click and drop inside the network environment. To remove a device, right click on the device and click remove. Now let us place the nodes. Click on the node. You can see there are different nodes like wired, wireless, and other nodes are disabled for internetworks. Now let us place a wired node. Click and drop inside the network. Now let us place a wireless node. To connect the wireless node to the router, we have to use an access point. So let us keep an access point inside the network environment. Now let us establish the links between the router and the wired and wireless nodes. So click on the link. You can see wired and wireless link. To connect between the router and the wired nodes, we can use wired links, for which do as shown. And to connect wireless node, we have to use wireless link. You can configure the properties of the devices by right clicking on a device and click properties. Now you can see the properties given in the dialog box. There are different layer properties listed here and you can choose as per your network. Now let us set the application layer for the internetworks, for which click on the application icon and then place it outside the environment. Now to configure the application layer properties, right click on the application layer icon and click properties. Now you can see the application properties listed here and you can change the properties as per your desire. You can see the I button given on the right side of the window. Pressing on the I button, you can see the basic information of the corresponding option. To perform analysis, NetSim provides different traces. Now first click on the packet trace. Now to perform analysis, NetSim provides different traces. Let us first create a packet trace. Click on the packet trace and uncheck or check the necessary items and click OK to enable packet trace. And then click on the event trace to record all the events, and to visualize events, click OK to enable event trace. Then click on the dynamic metrics, which is useful for generating graphs like throughput. Now to enable dynamic metrics, click OK. Before going to simulation, click on the application, accept the changes you have done. To generate application, now you can see the application generated between B and C. Now let us go to the simulation, click on run simulation. You can see the simulation time given here. You can set your own time. Now three options are given to run your simulation. In the first, record animation, your simulation will run fast and it records only the animation without visualizing. To visualize your animation, click on the second radio button, and to run your simulation fast, to directly go to your results section, then click on the third radio button. Click OK. Your simulation is running. So metrics are getting calculated. Now click on the view results to view your results. So this is the result window which shows different metrics like throughput, application metrics, networks metrics. To view the packet trace, click on the open packet trace. You can see a Excel file opened. In this you can see the complete information about individual packets like the packet source ID, destination ID, which layer it has transmitted the packets, and the packet status, success or fail, can be seen in this packet trace. Now to view event trace, click on open event trace. You can see the event ID, different event types, and in which device the event has happened can be viewed here.